Hello, my affiliate friends. This is April. Today's video is about 100% pay affiliate programs. If you're interested in looking at these types of affiliate programs, thinking you can make a lot of money, I want to give you the inside scoop on what they're all about, how they operate. And no, I'm not trying to promote any 100% pay affiliate program to you today. I just want to give you information so you can make an informed decision about these types of programs if you're looking at them. The first thing you need to know is that you most likely have to pay money, either upfront one-time fee or a monthly fee, to promote 100% pay affiliate programs. They are not your standard typical affiliate program where you join for free, you get an affiliate link, and you're just off to the races to make money with that. No. Usually you have to pay money. You have to then, it's like either member to member resell, or sometimes the admin will pay you out. Typically, though, it's a member-to-member resell type of deal. That means that typically you have to pay an admin fee, then you have to pay either the person who you join under, the person that referred you, member-to-member. That's typically how it works. Not all the time. I was in one called Prosperity Marketing System a couple years ago. It paid 100% commissions. It was not member-to-member. It was paid out by the admin. That was legitimate. It's been around a long time, but I'm not here to promote it. I'm no longer an affiliate with that program. And I don't want to go into all the reasons for that. But if you're asking yourself, is it worth promoting 100% pay affiliate programs? It can, depending on your situation. If you are open to investing your money into one of those type of programs and you can get traffic consistently and it's been around a long time, it's a legitimate, reputable affiliate program, and you've done your research, yes, I would say it could be worth it for you. If it's just a pop-up affiliate program that somebody made and they're like, oh, you can make $50 over and over again, 100% commission, and it's like on a shady looking website, like a free website, or like there's no support, there's no contact button, they don't respond, it's some kind of fly-by-night affiliate program, I would say be very careful. So I just wanted to give you guys this information because a lot of people out there are thinking, oh, I can make 100% commissions. But like I said, be careful. Just realize you most likely have to pay money. It's most likely resell, member to member. Maybe not. Maybe it's paid out by the admin. But that's how those type of programs work. The one that I'm in right now is not member to member. It's not 100% commission. I'm a free member and I'm making sales as a free member. You can join globally anywhere in the world and get paid. And it's not instant pay like these 100% commission programs tend to be. You do have to wait 45 days to get your money, but there are no chargebacks, refunds to deal with. It's all free and clear. The admin pays you. And it's a digital product. So if you're interested in that, it's in the description below. Make sure to check out my blog in the description, and everything, all the resources and information that I have for you guys down in the description. Thank you so much for watching this video, and please subscribe if you want more affiliate marketing tips. Thank you guys again, and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.